And former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has made a personal remark against Prime Minister Modi. He has said, and I quote, Modi ji's mental health has been disturbed. So this is the remark coming in from former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel. Now remember, this statement comes after Prime Minister Modi at an election rally in Rajasthan linked Congress Party's manifesto plans with the 2006 statement of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on giving priority to the minorities on the country's resources. Let's listen in to what Bhupesh Baghel said.
अब ये तो जितने बयान अभी लगातार आ रहे हैं, जिस प्रकार से मैनिफेस्टो आए और उसमें कहा मुस्लिम लीग के तर्ज पे कर रहे हैं और अभी मनमोहन सिंह जी जो बयान है उस पे कर रहे हैं, तो ये तो सीधा सीधा कह सकते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी का मानसिक संतुलन बिगड़ गया है, मोदी जी का मानसिक संतुलन बिगड़ गया है। मनमोहन सिंह जी के भाषण के एक टुकड़े का आप एक लाइन को उठा लेंगे, एक शब्द को उठा लेंगे, पूरा जो वाक्य उसको पढ़ो आप, उसमें तो उन्होंने सबके लिए कहा है और आप केवल एक वर्ग की बात कर रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके पास कुछ कहने कुछ नहीं है।
So this is the remark that is coming in from former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, who has hit out at Prime Minister and has in fact made a personal remark saying that Prime Minister's mental health is not stable. Now remember, this is after Prime Minister's attack at the Congress Party's manifesto, and which he linked with the 2006 statement of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on giving priority to minorities on the country's resources. Remember, the politics over this matter has been escalating. This is the latest reaction that is coming in from the Congress Party, where former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has attacked Prime Minister, saying that Prime Minister's mental health has been disturbed, and hence that is why he is making such statements against the Congress Party. Now, another claim that Bhupesh Baghel has made is that the BJP did not post the entire video of Manmohan Singh's speech, and that is why the BJP was trying to mislead the people. But in the entirety of the speech, what Manmohan Singh was referring to was all the SCs, Dalits and the minorities, and not just the minorities on claiming right on the nation's resources. Let's again listen into what Bhupesh Baghel said.
अब ये तो जितने बयान अभी लगातार आ रहे हैं, जिस प्रकार से मैनिफेस्टो आए और उसमें कहा मुस्लिम लीग के तर्ज पे कर रहे हैं और अभी मनमोहन सिंह जी जो बयान है उस पे कर रहे हैं, तो ये तो सीधा सीधा कह सकते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी का मानसिक संतुलन बिगड़ गया है, मोदी जी का मानसिक संतुलन बिगड़ गया है। मनमोहन सिंह जी के भाषण के एक टुकड़े का आप एक लाइन को उठा लेंगे, एक शब्द को उठा लेंगे, पूरा जो वाक्य उसको पढ़ो आप, उसमें तो उन्होंने सबके लिए कहा है और आप केवल एक वर्ग की बात कर रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके पास कुछ कहने कुछ नहीं है।
And CNN News 18's Sherin Elizabeth is now joining us on this story. Sherin, sharp attack, and in fact a personal one coming in from former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel against the Prime Minister.
Well, that is right. And in fact, making a very derogatory statement against the Prime Minister, where he went ahead and said that Prime Minister's mental health has been disturbed. Now, the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel is making these statements after the statements that have been made by Prime Minister when it comes to the redistribution of wealth, to which Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, former Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, says that these statements are being made continuously in the manner in which the manifesto came, and he spoke on Manmohan Singh's statement, so it can directly be said that Prime Minister Modi's mental health has been disturbed. Of course, we have to see how what is really the opinion of the Congress Party to make such a below-the-belt statement, and whether they do endorse what Bhupesh Baghel has said regarding the Prime Minister. We have to, of course, see, because these are individual statements at this point, but does the Congress Party endorse such a below-the-belt statement that has been made? Because at the end of the day, it is Prime Minister who has been made the Prime Minister by the mandate of the people. He has won the 2019 election, and to make such a statement could in fact be controversial at this point.
Right, Sherin, thank you so much for that context. Right now we have some more breaking news coming in.